this video, we will discuss the June 2010 question paper. Question number 1. Which theory of the state is expounded in Shanti Parv? Option D is correct, both divine right and social contract right. Question number 2. According to Gandhi, option B is correct and justifies the mean. Question number 3. The public good ought to be the object of the legislature. Who said it? Option D is correct, Bentham. Question number 4. Who said men are equal by nature? Society, through the institution of property, has made them unequal. Option D is correct, Hegel. Question number 5. The method of proceeding from general to particular is, option A is correct, deductive method. Now question number 6. Who said that world at every stage is both a product and a prophecy? Option D is correct, Marx. Question number 7. One of the criticism for the theory of natural right is that, option B is correct, assumes that right exists prior to the society. Question number 8. The entitlement theory of property has been propounded by, option C is correct, Robert Nozick. Question number 9. The state is a necessary evil. This is the statement refers to, option B is correct, individualist theory of state. Now move on to next question. Question number 10. Given below are two statements, assertion, reason. Assertion, democratic socialism values unity in diversity. Reason, cultural pluralism hinders the functioning of democratic institutions. Option C is correct, as A is true and R is false. Question number 11. Robert Merton's concept of political machine in a large city is associated with, option C is correct, functionalism. Question number 12. Who among the following is a proponent of the theory of underdevelopment? Option C is correct, Samir Amin. Question number 13. In which of the following system of government is bicameral an essential feature? Option D is correct, in federal system. Now move on to next question. Question number 14. According to Max Weber, which one of the following type of authority is the basis of modern bureaucracy? Option C is correct, legal rational. Question number 15. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Option C is correct, as collective responsibility is in United Kingdom. Multi-party system is in India. Referendum is in Switzerland, and due process of law is in United States of America. Question number 16. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Option 2 is correct, Robert Hale, Democracy and its Critique. Putnam is Civil Tradition in Modern Italy. Francis Fukuyama is End of History and the Last Man, and Armand and Powell, Civic Culture. Now move on to next question. Question number 17. Assertion, reason. Assertion, the Senate of USA is the most powerful second chamber in the world. Reason, all states in USA enjoy equal representation in the Senate. Option B is correct. Both the statements are true but not the correct explanation. Question number 18. Assertion, reason. Interest group compete for make their voice heard and interest protected by the decision makers in political system. Reason, interest group extend support to political party in a consistent manner. Option C is correct, as assertion is true and reason is false. Question number 19. What is the correct sequence of the following president of the USA? Option B is correct. First is Franklin D. Roosevelt, then John F. Kennedy, then George Bush Sr., and the last is Bill Clinton. Now question number 20. Write the following in the correct sequence. Option B is correct. First is the merger of Baltic state into Soviet Union in August 1940. Then the New Deal legislation in USA enacted by President Franklin D. Roosevelt between 1933 to 1938. Now next is the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India held on 9 December 1946, and the last is the Maastricht Treaty in Europe on 7 February 1992. Now next question, question number 21. Which of the following statement is correct about the Vice President of India? Option B is correct, ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Question number 22. The Dalit Panther movement was launched in, option D is correct, in 1972 and is inspired by the Black Panther movement of the United States of America, founded by Namdev Dhassal and J.V. Pawar. Now move on to next question, question number 23. The first Backward Classes Commission emphasized which of the following as a condition identifying social and educational backwardness? Option D is correct, caste. Question number 24. When the UPA government was formed in 2004 at the center, the CPIM was, option B is correct, not party of the alliance but was supported the government from outside. Question number 25. Match the following. Option D is correct. Finance Commission is Article 280, Financial Emergency Article 360, Rajya Sabha is Article 312, and Constitutional Amendment Article 368. Now move on to next question. Question number 26. Match the following. Correct option is option B. Morlemento reform in 1909, Montagu Chelmsford reform in 1919, Swadeshi and boycott in 1905, and movement Home Rule movement in 1916. Question number 27. Identify the correct chronological order of the following option. Option C is correct. First is A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras case in 1950. Then Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala case in 1973. Then Declaration of Internal Emergency on 25 June 1975. And the last is 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1976. Now question number 28. Identify the correct chronological sequence in which the following Prime Minister of India became. Option B is correct. First is Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1964, then Morarji Desai in 1977, then Chaudhry Charan Singh in 1979, and the last is VP Singh in 1989. Now question number 29. Assertion, reason. Assertion, fundamental rights are enshrined in the constitution for the people. Reason, people can move to the court for violation of their fundamental rights. Option B is correct as both the statement are true but not the correct explanation. Question number 30. Assertion, reason. Assertion, there are three lists dividing legislative authority between the union and the states in India. Reason, India has a federal system. Option A is correct, both the statement are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 31. Development administration was defined as a goal-oriented and change-oriented administration by, option D is correct, Edward Winder. Question number 32. The concept of line and staff agency in public administration is borrowed from, option C is correct, military administration. Now question number 33. F.W. Taylor's concept of scientific management was criticized by, option D is correct, human relation theorist. Question number 34. In India, the Planning Commission was set up in the year, option B is correct, 1950. Question number 35. Recruitment to civil service in India is based on the recommendation of, option C is correct, Paul H. Appleby. Question number 36. The communication that passes across different departments from, option C is correct, lateral communication. Question number 37. The contingency fund in India has been placed at the disposal of, option B is true, President. Question number 38. Identify the correct sequence in which the following theories appeared. Option B is correct. First is the classical theory, then human relation theory, then decision making theory, and then last is public choice theory. Now move on to next question. Question number 39. Match the following. Option A is correct. Charismatic authority given by Max Weber, administrative behavior by Simon, development administration by Winder, and the last prismatic society by Riggs. Question number 40. Assertion, reason. Assertion, the institution of Lokpal has not been established to this day in India in spite of the best effort of the government. Reason, the political party in the Indian parliament have not been able to arrive at a consensus. Option A is correct, both the statements are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 41 question. Who used first time the word Cold War? Option A is correct, Bernard Bruch. Now question number 42. The General Assembly of UNO passed the Declaration of Human Rights on, option B is correct, 10 December 1948. Question number 43. The headquarters of Economic Commission for Asia and Far East is situated in, option A is correct, Bangkok in Thailand. Question number 44. One of all and all for one is the statement given by one of the following authors in regard to collective security. Option B is correct, Hans J. Morgenthau. Question number 45. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following? Choose the right answer from the code given below. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. First is the Atlantic Charter signed on 14 August 1941. Then is the Casablanca Conference from 14 to 24 January 1943. Then is the Bretton Woods Conference from 1 to 22 July 1944, and the last is the Yalta Conference from 4 to 11 February 1945. Question number 46. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following model given by Morton Kaplan? Choose the right answer from the code given below. Option A is correct. First is the balance of power, then loose bipolar system, then tight bipolar system, and the last is universal international system. Now move on to next question. Question number 47. Match the following. Option B is correct. Farka Barag in India Bangladesh border. 123 nuclear agreement between India and USA. Srimao Shastri Pact in India Sri Lanka, and Treaty of Peace and Friendship 1950 India Nepal. Question number 48. Match list 1 with list 2. Option 1 is correct. Ines Claude Power and International Politics. KJ Holesty is International Politics. A.L.E. Roy Brennett is International Organization Principle, and last is K. Knorr and Jane Rusno is Contented Approaches to International Politics. Now question number 49. Assertion reason. Assertion for the realist. The ruthless quest of power to promote national interest is in the law of nature. Reason. They firmly believe that moral and legal prescription are irrelevant at best, convinces that may be discarded at will. Option A is correct. Both the statement are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Last question, question number 50. Assertion. The member of UNO have committed to promote the respect for observance of human rights. Reason. The human rights are inalienable, natural, interdependent, and indivisible. They are meant to achieve human dignity. Option B is correct. Both the statement are true, and R is not the correct explanation of A.